Start by opening your mobile's App Store. Click on the search icon and search for Wildix. Look for Wildix Collaboration and start installing the app. Once the installation has completed, open Collaboration. Once you're at the login screen, type in your company's domain and press Office 365 Sign On. If you're unsure of your company's domain, please call GlobalNet. Sign in using your email username and password. Once signed in, allow all permissions with the exception of Contact Sync, which is dependent on personal preference and/or company policy.